Sims Manufacturing was founded in 1969 by Russ Sims when he invented the first fully automatic impact case printing machine. These case printers helped produce packers and shippers save time, valuable labor, and dramatically increased productivity.
In those days, they used to stamp on the top of the box. I said, you know, if we could move this down to the bottom of the box, we wouldn't have to adjust the height of the machine every time a different size box came in. And that's what started the whole thing.
Sims Manufacturing soon expanded its product line to include various forms of case sealers, case erectors, tape heads, strapping machines, tray denesters, pad inserters, and case closers, as well as the conveying systems to link all of these machines together. Working with Michelson Packaging on various projects throughout the 60s and 70s, it became apparent that a strong bond between the two companies was growing. After speaking with Michelson's president at the time, Earl Pratt, Russ Sims decided it was time to join forces.
One of our best things was when we did merge with Michelson's, because we got to merge with a great company, and together we've really done quite well. So I think most of our customers are pretty happy that we work together.
The founding principle quickly expanded into a philosophy that placed customer service on par with designing quality machinery.
Our main thing was to come out with equipment that customers were satisfied with, and we also had to have the service that they were satisfied with. If something wasn't right, we'd try to make it right. If for some reason it didn't fit their company, we'd take it back. If it's a brand new machine, there's no guarantees in the industry. You try to make it right, and eventually you get it right.
Every Sims machine must be easy to service and maintain, must be built to last, and able to perform up to the customer's greatest expectations.
You can go out and take a look at our equipment and compare it to anybody's out there, and it's well built, well designed. I think that's why a lot of people still come back to us, is the fact that we guarantee what we do, and we always have, and we will, always will.
A key component to Sims' incredible customer service is their team of engineers, fabricators, and service technicians.
We've been very fortunate on the quality of people that we've had over the years. For me, just to go in and look at them to see what our guys have done, it's tremendous.
We have a number of guys that at any given time will be on the road headed to somebody's plant if they need it within 20 minutes or so. If everybody's out of the shop, it's who's ever next in line and able to go. That might be myself or Mike Pepper or any of the upper management people. The machines that we build here at Sims, when they do get to the floor, we have our own fabrication bay out there where welding is all done. Everything is assembled here at Sims. The same guys that do the assembly work here at Sims are also our service techs. So they know and welcome the benefits of providing great product and quality service. And they're actually the guys that have to do that.
Many of Sims machines have been developed at the request of customers who are in need of better solutions. Listening and responding to customer needs while staying true to the founding philosophy has been the foundation of success for Sims.
We can design the piece of equipment in a 3D model. We can actually bring the customer in, move components, show them how the machine is going to work. They can take a look at it and get a real good 3D visual on what it's actually going to look like. Then when those components come back, I will be heavily involved in the final assembly actually in the shop. So that's one of the great things about working here at Sims. We get to be involved in what's going on in the floor and get to see the machine come together.
Sims Manufacturing takes a great deal of pride in designing, manufacturing, and servicing quality machinery to meet each and every customer's packaging needs. From what I understand, you don't have to be here. I mean,
No. No, I retired about 8 years ago. I just show up.
what keeps you coming back?
I just like doing it, you know. As long as I don't have to show up every day. No one seems to care.